Hi, this is Muskan from 10th grade of Global High School. Today I am gonna explain about a simple way to get the values of trigonometric table. The angles are written horizontally in the increasing order, like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And the ratios are written vertically in the order, like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. First, sin theta values. That is the first horizontal row. As angle start from 0, write the numbers from 0 for each angle, like 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the last number is 4, so divide all the numbers by 4. We get 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Now simplify to get. We get 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 1. Now take square roots of the values obtained, like root 0, root 1 by 4, root 1 by 2, root 3 by 4 and root 1. Now simplify to get. We get 0, root 1 by root 4, root 1 by root 2, root 3 by root 4 and 1. Further simplify to get the values of sin theta, that is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. For cos theta values, just write the values of sin theta in the reverse order. That is, fifth value becomes first, fourth values become second and so on. We know tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. So, now tan 0 degree is equals to sin 0 degree by cos 0 degree, obviously. So 0 by 1 and 0 by 1 is 0, obviously. And for 30 degree, tan 30 degree is equals to sin 30 degree by cos 30 degree. And their values are 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. And if we simplify that, it is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. And the 2 get cancelled, the answer is 1 by root 3. And for 45 degree, tan 45 degree is equals to sin 45 degree by cos 45 degree. Their values are 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. So root 2 get cancelled and the remaining answer is 1 by 1. So we can write as 1. Now for 60, tan 60 degree is equals to sin 60 degree by cos 60 degree. And their values are root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. And we will simplify as root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. So the 2 get cancelled and the answer will be root 3. Now for 90 degree, tan 90 degree is equals to sin 90 degree by cos 90 degree is equals to 1 by 0, and the answer which is not defined. And now cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of the values of sin theta, that is reciprocal of 0 which is not defined. In the same way, we get the remaining ratios of cosec theta. Cosec 30 is equals to 2 by 1 is equals to 2. So cosec 45 is equals to root 2 and the cosec 60 is equals to 2 by root 3. And cosec 90 is reciprocal of 1 which is equal to 1. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. One hint is there, not defined value comes alternatively end to end, like this. Let us repeat once again in the shortest way. For sin theta values, write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then divide by 4 and simplify. Now take squares root and simplify to get sin theta values. For cos theta values, write the sin theta values in reciprocal order or reverse order. For tan theta value, divide corresponding sin theta value by cos theta value. For cosec theta values, write reciprocal of corresponding sin theta values. Now for sec theta values, write reciprocal of corresponding cos theta values. For cot theta values, write reciprocal of corresponding tan theta values. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.